everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to our channel. So this video we're gonna be reviewing the KIKO Milano makeup. I personally heard so many good things about it. I actually own one makeup item from them and I've been using it in my makeup tutorials. You've probably seen it already. It's a KIKO Milano Super Color Eyeliner in 001, which is gold eyeliner. But I haven't tried their lipsticks or the eyeshadows or anything else whatsoever, so I thought I'm gonna test it out with you guys, as I heard actually so many good things about KIKO Milano. It's a cruelty-free brand, it's super affordable. So far it sounds super good, so I think we shall try it out. So I got this Jelly Jungle eyeliner eyeshadow by KIKO Milano. So apparently it's eyeliner and eyeshadow in one, so I thought, alright, two things in one, let's test this out. And this one is in the color Mysterious Brown. It was super cheap as well. I don't remember how much it cost, but it was mega affordable. I'm sure it was under the under £5. I like the packaging, it's cute, but it does look like the eyeliner, like a gel eyeliner, but we shall see soon. Ooh, look at that. Okay, that looks rather interesting. That looks very much like a proper bronze color with a bit of a shimmer in it. Let's do a little swatch on my finger. Alright, so swatching it, looks like this. Ooh, I don't even know what makeup look we should go for. Look, it's proper bronzy color and it blends very nicely actually. It went on the finger like, oh my god, this is so much product, and then it blended so nicely. I actually like the way it blends. So I think because they say it's an eyeliner, we're definitely gonna use it as an eyeliner, but we're gonna use it as an eyeshadow as well. So I think without any further ado, we should just jump into this. So I'm gonna start with this tiny brush by Real Techniques, which is a smudge brush, and gonna take some on. Can you see all that glitter, like shimmer parts? And I think I'm just gonna go higher than my creases. Let's do like a little cut crease thing. Oh my goodness, this straight away blends so beautifully. Literally a perfection. Perfect for doing a cut crease look. Oh my god, I'm loving it so far. This was so cheap. It was under £5. I think it was like even £3 only or something. Because I just picked this up randomly. Because I went to the shop to check what we have and I seen that it's so cheap and it looks so good. So I was like, I gotta try this. Look how nicely it goes for a cut crease. This is freaking-livable. I think this eyeshadow plus / eyeliner thing is just made for the cut crease looks. Okay, I gotta tell you guys, I am loving this product so far. Testing KIKO Milano eyeshadow for first time and I'm loving it. Oh, this is going on really nice. So I want this cut crease part to be a little bit more intense, so I'm gonna take more product on. So the eyeshadow itself is very creamy, but then it blends super nicely. So easy to use. This would be perfect for smoky eye as well actually. So because this says it's eyeliner, we definitely need to use it as an eyeliner. So I'm taking the eyeliner brush by Real Techniques, and I'm not sure if I should make a brush wet or no, but the eyeshadow itself is very creamy, it's wet. So let's see how it's gonna go. Oh, okay. Now the shimmer is definitely coming into, because in here I blended this out and this part is not blend. So you can see that shimmer. Okay, I'm liking it so far. I hope you see what I'm doing. As an eyeliner, I like it even more than as an eyeshadow. It's so strange because as an eyeshadow, it blends so nicely and there's no shimmer. It goes matte. But as an eyeliner, it has that shimmery effect in. Very strange, like very strange, but I really liking it. It's like two effects in one. Actually looks even like two different colors. Really liking it. Like I'm really surprised how good it is. And it was super cheap. And obviously we have more colors. I just went with this one because I thought I'm just gonna play safe and take more of an earthy color. I'm like really loving the eyeliner. I'm honestly surprised how good it is. If I would have known, I would have bought more of these. It's so strange how different it is. As an eyeliner, it's so pigmented and it's so packed with shimmer. But as an eyeshadow, it blends to a matte effect. For this product, so far, thumbs up from me. I am really, really liking it. I'm just gonna do a bit more intense this cut crease part. This makeup look, by the way, probably is the fastest ever. I think I'm gonna apply a little bit on my lower lash line as well. I love, love, love how it blends so easy and it goes to this matte effect. Alright, a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line and the eyes are done because I have the lash extensions, as you can tell, so I don't really need mascara. I didn't get the KIKO Milano mascara because I was thinking I have lash extensions, but I forgot about lower lash line, so I'm gonna be using Tarte's lifted mascara for that matter. I honestly regret for not getting KIKO Milano foundation or something because I bet it would be good. Well, maybe next video. If you want me to test more products, leave a comment down below, let me know. So because we're going with KIKO Milano Makeup, and although I tried this eyeliner before, but for the matter of this video, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of my eye makeup look. I used it in my previous makeup tutorials, you've probably seen it. I'm really, really liking it. It's super easy to use. It's beautiful. It's super affordable as well. So I'm just gonna place a little dot in my inner eye corner, just to brighten it a little bit. And the eyes are complete now. Honestly, the fastest makeup look probably ever. I haven't tried any KIKO Milano lipsticks yet, so I needed to get one. So I got this KIKO Milano Full 2.0 Lip Stilo in number 04. I don't remember what color it is actually, but we should check it out. And it was so cheap as well. It was under £5, I think it was around £3 or so. Once again, a bargain. Look at the packaging, how cute it is. It's like dark blue, kind of navy metallic. Love the packaging. Just the packaging itself is thumbs up from me. Okay. Yeah, packaging is beautiful. So color I went very full inspired color. Plus I thought it's gonna match with this eyeshadow eyeliner because it's dark brown color, as we call it, mysterious brown. So I went for a brown color lipstick as well. Ooh, so super creamy. I went a bit too hard on my hand, so I smudged the lipstick through, but it's so creamy. It's kind of burgundy color rather than brown. I think we should just try on our lips. It's very, very creamy, by the way. It has very nice sweet smell to it. I'm not a fan of the smell in a makeup in general, but this one smells very nice, very, very sweet. Okay, let's try this on. Oh my god, it's so buttery. Proper buttery on our lips. Honestly, like butter. It glides like butter. Or like, you know, lip oils that you get? It feels like that. Loving the color. It feels so good on the lips. Oh my god, guys, honestly. Have you seen this? So I just noticed it actually has a magnet in here, look. This packaging itself feels like it's super expensive lipstick or something, but it cost under the $5. I don't remember how much, but it was really, really, really super affordable and cheap. And it feels amazing on our lips. Honestly, it's like I just applied the super moisturizing chapstick on my lips, or a lip oil or Vaseline or something. It's just so moist. So yeah, it just feels amazing on our lips. So what do you guys think of this super quick makeup look using this KIKO Milano makeup items, this eyeshadow, eyeliner in one, and the lipstick? I personally loving those. I can't believe how good it is for a price. I mean, I've been loving Makeup Revolution. It's so super affordable. It's cruelty-free brand as well. It's really pigmented and it's good, and yeah, I've been obsessed with Makeup Revolution, but I think KIKO Milano is going to be my new obsession because it's so affordable. It's cruelty-free brand and it looks like it's super expensive just judging by the packaging because it doesn't look cheap, you know, the packaging itself. This eyeliner eyeshadow, double power, matte and shimmery in one. Thumbs up for me. I don't know how you guys, but I am absolutely loving these two items that I got, and this eyeliner obviously because I've been using this for a while. I am a bit regretful not getting the foundation or contour kit or yeah, more items, so I think I'm gonna be getting more. Would you like me to do another video of testing out more KIKO Milano products? Because these two for me are the winners so far. So yeah, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, what you would like to see next on my channel. I know this video was super quick, but this eye makeup look was super quick as well. So is it thumbs up from you or is it thumbs down from you about this makeup look? Let me know in the comments down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching this quick review video. If so, don't forget to press a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you soon in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching and bye. Ciao for now.